It is a black girl's Birkin. Okay, and you have a WAP. This area when you work out is always wet. I'm a baby gym right now and I need to have options. Hi everybody, it is another week. Just came from the gym. This week's gym process have been very overwhelming. I don't know why people don't talk about this, but actually going to the gym when you're on your cycle, and this may be TMI for men that watch me, but you're warning before I get into it. Going to the gym on your period is a whole thing. It's a whole another world, basically. This is going to be very TMI, I'm a pad girl, okay? I like a good pad. Going to the gym on my period, I have to wear a tampon, and it's uncomfortable for me personally. So I think I'm either going to invest in some Tinks underwear, you know, the period underwear them, or I'm gonna have to try out a Diva cup or something, because this is a no-go. I'm not going to be doing this again. Okay, something needs to be done. But I made it to the gym nonetheless. I didn't get to do my core workouts, so I'm probably gonna do them today in the backyard or something. But I made it to my cardio sculpt class. So today is Tuesday. I normally do cardio sculpt class, and then I do 30 minutes of core training, and didn't get to do my core training because I was just off today. Couldn't find my damn water bottle, left my watch. Being on your period is just something that women have to go through that men don't have to go through, and it's very annoying. Not only that, yesterday I did not vlog. Yesterday is Monday, today is Tuesday. Yesterday was my arms day, and I do not know why men do this. When I went to the lateral pull machines for arms and stuff, there was no one there. It was completely empty. It was a Monday, so a lot of times on Mondays our gyms are empty because I go early. No one. When I say no one, absolutely no one was there. I went there to go train arms. All of a sudden, two guys comes. One right next to me and one in front of me. So I'm like, okay, this is weird. This machine have been available for a whole hour because I went to my class and then did arms. No one was here. As soon as I come to do arms, man pack up here. Anyways, that's neither here nor there because I don't care. Did my arms, and I don't know why men do this. Anytime they see women doing upper body, they try to intimidate them. They try to come up and lift heavy weights and do all this extraness. And this is why I am going to actually start going to the gym with Babe once a week when it comes on to upper body days, because men like to intimidate women in the gym. And I just started going to the gym, but what I do when I feel like they're trying to intimidate me, I just match the same weight that they have and out rep them. Because majority of the time when they're doing upper body in the gym, they do heavy weights and can only do 3 to 5 reps. I can do heavy weights and out rep you every single time. So that's what I do. Anytime, ladies, when you go to the gym, please don't let anybody intimidate you and make you not want to go to the gym anymore or not want to do certain type of exercises because they're trying to intimidate you. But yeah, let me stop rambling on. I'm gonna take the kids to the park. I'm probably gonna do a nice little picnic with me and the kids, and that's what we're gonna do today. So I'll see you guys in a few. Oh, Oh, hold on. And I got my tail for, I got my tail for, I got my tail for. I'm sure by the time you guys see this vlog, I'm gonna have a full review and unboxing, so check that out. But here's my baby. This is a black girl Birkin, okay? Don't talk to me because this is a Birkin, okay? It is a black girl's Birkin, okay? Nobody can talk to me and I'm a tell for. But yeah, and my Brandon Black hood have been bought. They haven't been shipped yet, but this bag came in 7 days, basically 1 week. So shout out to him for having amazing shipping. So yeah, check out the full review video and I'll see y'all later. Hi guys, so I wanted to show you guys some new gym stuff that I got. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I got a new watch. So I got a new watch because my old one is broken. My kids broke my old one. So I forgot to mention what my watch does. My watch actually tracks how many steps I take, how many calories I burn. I can also use it to change my music, read my heart rate and stuff like that. So that's what this watch does, and it's made for an Android phone because I actually have an Android phone and it's super affordable. It's $25. I got me a gym bag. I also got a water bottle. I'll insert a picture of because I can't go get it. So it does have a pocket in here. It has 2 pockets in the front where you can put your water bottle, and then a zipper right here where I put my phone in, which I love. I love the extra storage in the front because when I go to the gym I normally take pre-workout. So I put my pre-workout in one side, then I put my water bottle in one side, and then I put my phone in here. And if I'm on my period or anything, I can put my tampons and whatever else I need in here. I also put my gloves in the big part. And I also got lifting gloves, so this is what they look like. I like these lifting gloves because it has some cushion in here. So a lot of gloves don't have this cushion right here, and even when you put on the gloves and you lift heavy, you still get corns and you still mess up your inner palm when you're lifting. So I got me these gloves, and all this stuff I'm showing you is from Amazon. So I'm gonna link everything below. Some of them are affiliate links, so I make a small commission if you actually click on there and buy it. And if you do, thank you very much, I appreciate it. So I love this, and I actually got these in a medium, and I feel like I kind of have big fingers, fat chubby fingers, and they fit perfectly. So the first item I'm going to show you guys is this top, this sports bra. This is from Fruit of the Loom, and it comes in a pack of 3. So it comes in a pack of 3 or 6 depending on what you want. So it comes with the white, the black, and the gray, and this is below $10, which I truly appreciate. If I'm buying stuff, I like to buy them and be frugal, but also get quality items. I wear a 34 double D, and these actually hold my boobs up amazingly. I've been working out in them since today's Tuesday, from Monday. So I actually bought them in a 40 first. The 40 was too big. I went down and got a 38, and these fit great. And this is how the back looks. It has adjustable straps, so if you need to make it more tighter, so for example you're doing cardio and you don't want your boobs jiggling everywhere, you can definitely adjust the straps to make them tighter, so the girls sit up high and they're not moving and going anywhere, which I like a lot. So the next thing I have is these pants, and these pants are great. They're super thick, they're nice, they're not see-through. I do not like to wear anything that is going to be see-through in the gym. I don't like the extra tension. I just don't like it at all. So I like to wear things that are comfortable and also that are thick and that's not going to be see-through, because I do a lot of lower body exercises and also upper body, but I don't want to be squatting and somebody seeing the color of my underwear or any of that. So these are thick, these are nice, I love these. I actually got them in an extra large first, but they were too big. I went down a size and got a large. Amazing. And for reference, I just weighed myself and I weigh 187. Your girl was 205, so and I love these. You can get them in a pack of 2, a pack of 3, or a pack of 4. I'm actually gonna link the exact ones that I got because these are amazing. I also got it in a light color, gray, and the gray is definitely not see-through either, which I love. So this is the next pants. This is the scrunch butt pants. As you can see, let me step out so you guys can see it. I'm gonna squat. So these are super trendy. They make the booty look good, but this is more of a medium thickness. This is not something that I would wear on leg day because I feel like it's thick, but it's not thick enough where you're not gonna see your panties through it. This is definitely a cardio day or upper body day outfit. I would definitely suggest the pants that I wore before for lower body, for squatting and stuff like this. This is cute, but not for lower body day. So this is how it looks. This is actually in a large. I feel like I definitely could have sized down and got a medium, but I want it to be comfortable. I don't want it to be too tight. So it's giving. I actually got these in the shorts version, but the shorts version, I'll insert a video in here somewhere. The shorts version was a little bit too big, and I returned it and got another one in another color. So hopefully I like that one. I haven't tried it on. I'm gonna try it on in this video. This top right here comes in a pack of 3. This is actually a crop top and it's made of cotton material. I got these in a size large, and it comes in a black and a gray. These are actually thin, these are very see-through, but I would definitely wear my sports bra that I had on before, which is what I do now, which is what I have now, my sports bra underneath this, and it hits the perfect place. I'm not a person that likes to show a lot of skin in the gym, so this is cute, but it also is functional and I am comfortable. One thing I will say with these leggings is that these are the seamless leggings. These are very trendy also. These I definitely wouldn't wear on leg day. They're not see-through, but they're thin, and I don't want any mishaps. I don't want any accidents. I don't want anybody to see my underwear. So I wouldn't be taking the chances in this. But if you're comfortable and you wear like seamless, these are great. Love them. They definitely make the booty pop, especially if you get them in a lighter color, because it has some detailing that makes your booty pop, because it has like a cute little line in the butt area and a little line in the side area, so it definitely makes your booty look good and all of that. If you get it in a different color, it will show more, but I got it in black. But yeah, let me squat in it so you guys can see. So that's how it looks, and this is the next pants item that I got along with this crop top. So this is the next outfit, and these are some yoga pants. Love the fact that they have 2 pockets. The waistband definitely is supportive. You're not going to be pulling this up every 2 seconds in the gym, especially if you get your right size. These are in a extra large and they fit perfectly. These are not see-through. You don't have anything at all to worry about with these. Love them. Also, if you have thunder thighs or thick inner thighs, when you're doing a lot of workout, your inner thighs tends to rub, and if you're wearing a cotton material, it will like bulk up and start looking weird. These don't do that because of the material that it's made with, and I love. So yeah, this is how they look. These right here are everything, and these actually comes in a pack of 4 for $33.99, a complete steal. Different colors if you want. I'm just basic, and I got a lot of basic pieces because I'm a baby gym right now, and I need to have options, especially options that I'm comfortable with. They have way brighter colors and all of that. You can get that if you want, but I'm basic. So I got the light gray, the charcoal gray, the maroon, red, and black, and it comes with 4 steal. A steal. So yeah, thank me later. Get these. Get these. So this is the next outfit I have on. They block. I have on the black sports bra that came in the pack of 3, and I have this muscle t-shirt. This is actually in an extra large, and I like how that the front covers the coochie area, because if you're anything like me and you have a WAP, this area when you work out is always wet. This is always wet, and the butt area wet. So I like that it covers this area. It also covers the butt area, which I like a lot. And this is in an extra large and it fits great, and it show off my gains, my upper body gains. I like it a lot, and I also won't be hot in this. So, and then for the bottoms, I actually got these bottom in the white and gray, and I got them in an extra large, but it was too big. So I would definitely suggest you go down a size with these crunch butt leggings or shorts, because they're actually really stretchy. So I got this in pink, and I'm gonna blame my daughter. Ever since I have my daughter, I've been definitely wearing a lot more pink, getting more pink stuff in tune with my feminine energy. I've never been a fan of pink, so it's very shocking that I'm buying so much stuff that has pink in it. So this is how it looks. My shoes actually have pink, which is why I picked this up in the pink and black version. My shoes actually have pink and black in there. This is how it looks. As you can see, there's no space in the back, and I'm glad I got this in a large, because the extra large was a bit too big. I will say though, these are definitely not lower body approved. Same thing with the pants version. I feel like the material is just a little bit too thick, but if you're that girl and you're comfortable, hi mommy. If you're that girl and you're comfortable and you just don't care, I will say wear a seamless underwear that is your skin color and you'll be good. But I'm not that girl. I haven't gotten to that stage just yet. So yeah, this is the next fit. Love it. This is the next outfit. I will say that these muscle tees actually come two in a pack. So it's a black version and this red version right here. And then I got these seamless shorts. This is how it looks. This is in a large. I will say the waistband is super supportive. This is how the back looks. So it makes the booty look good. It definitely makes the booty look good. This is definitely not. Hi mommy. Hi, what you doing? Like I said before, the seamless leggings are not lower body exercise approved for me personally, but if you're that girl, you can wear them. This and this that I just showed a while ago, these shorts, I would definitely do upper body, core training, and cardio in these. Because I'm not squatting, I'm not bending over in any of these. I'm just not doing it. But these ones definitely squat proof, definitely not see-through. And I don't know why they said this is a red, but this is not a red. They claim it's a red online. It looks like a red online, but this is more of a peach color. So yeah. This is how they look, and it has peach and white speckles on it. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but yeah, this is how it looks. So I bought new gym clothes because I wanted to keep motivated. I wanted to actually look cute in the gym, working out. I want to actually have clothes that is dedicated to the gym, because I've literally just been wearing whatever that I can find in my closet, tights, whatever, and wearing my husband's shirts and stuff. So I got my own clothes now. Still gonna wear his shirts because his shirts are extra big and I like covering my butt. And I like covering my butt when I'm in the gym with it because his shirts are super long. So Hi, Milani. So yeah, and sometimes if I'm in the gym, hi. And sometimes if I'm in the gym and I have a super big pump cover on, is what they call it, I literally just tuck it right here in my sports bra, and it gives me some room to breathe and not be overly hot. So yeah.
Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that.
Progress look like from January to February. I am going to be focusing on core and muscle building and recomposition of my body. So I'll see you next week, same place, same time, and I'm definitely gonna do my workout split for the
This
month
is the last
of
outfit.
March.
Thank you guys for watching. In this video you're gonna see my my body reveal, 1 month reveal, and you're going to see this haul right here. So I hope it gives you some motivation. I hope you guys are excited. Next week I'm actually gonna post my March workout plan, and it's gonna be a week plan. So this is what I'm gonna do every single week, and excited about that, and excited to show you guys what is next in this journey. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.